Welcome back to Unleashing Your Potential. Today we are talking about thinking beyond today. Investing starts in your mind before even it reaches your wallet. Before you think of investing, you have to have a plan. You're supposed to equip yourself with information. You're supposed to know how much time you need to invest in whichever project you're thinking of doing. You're supposed to get some connections about someone who has done whichever project or investment you're interested in. Also, some financial advisors to guide you along the way. So you have to know what is your end goal, kind of investment you want to do. Investing is about patience. It's about starting small. It's about long term. Doing an investment, it's not like waking up in the morning and you're like, today I'm starting ABCD and these are the results I'm going to take. No. I can give an example. When you get to know that you're pregnant, so it doesn't mean that you're going to have that baby tomorrow. That baby has to be inside of you until 9 months. So whatever you're going to start, you have to know that it's going to grow organically. It will take time. It will take years for you to start even to enjoy the benefits of your investments. An investment, it shouldn't be rushed. No comparing it with somebody else's investment. It has to grow steadily. It takes time. So you have to be ready to wait at the same time to invest in. So you need to know how much money you need, because you can either make it or break it. So you need to be guided along the way. And we should always remember that planning ahead is an act of responsibility. So you need to learn to plan ahead, to think ahead, to strategize, because you wouldn't want at the end of the day to lose your time and money. So you have to be careful when you're starting an investment. You have to think beyond. You have to think beyond just tomorrow, because this is a long time. So whichever knowledge you need, if it's training, just go for it. Remember that long time thinking, it changes how families plan, save, and dream. So we should always have that at the back of our mind. What you're doing is not just for you, but you're creating a legacy for your next generation. What does long term mean to you? Comment, like, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.